Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Travelodge by Wyndham Santee. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Conveniently located off of Interstate 95, in the heart of one of South Carolina's premier golfing destinations, this hotel is located in Santee, South Carolina. The property offers easy access to Santee National Golf Course and Lake Marion Golf Course. This Santee SC hotel is also convenient to bass fishing and other enjoyable outdoor activities at Lake Marion and Santee State Park. All guest rooms offer a cable TV. Coffee making facilities, a refrigerator, and a microwave are included as well as a private bathroom with a hairdryer. Some rooms also feature a desk. Guests of the Rodeway Inn hotel are invited to relax in the seasonal outdoor pool, make use of the on-site 24-hour business center, and enjoy other amenities, including free Wi-Fi and a free coffee bar and cookies. This is a pet-friendly hotel with 4-legged friends allowed to stay for a fee. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.